Season 5, Episode 10, Hiccups Trouble.
Alright everyone. Who wants some French soup?
Soup.
Soup. Soup. Soup.
After that.
Bon appetit everyone.
Alright everyone, let's dig in. That was delicious soup. Cartoon Network made it.
Bedtime everyone.
When they got to bed.
Good night Blues and George.
Did you know that? According to the fanfiction myths, whenever blue things drunk too much liquid and stay in the blue moon for long, they will get hiccups. Hiccups? Are you sure about that? I'm sure, Penguin. If we see the blue moon on the telescope, it symbolizes the hiccups of the blue things.
Yeah, blue things might get hiccups when they stayed in the blue moon for long after they drunk too much liquid.
I know, right, Starfish? How did that happen?
I don't know. But anyways, let's go using hiccups.
Ugh.
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 Ha 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 ha. Hiccups were funny.
What is going on? They have hiccups. Alright, think. What is your plan going to be?
I know. You're going to be Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
Whoa, that's from your channel. Why did you dress up like Michelangelo?
I'm gonna dress up like the Addams Family. Ruarg. I'm Mr. Adam. And I'm here to haunt your Drea.
Hi.
Nickelodeon.
I'm sorry. I thought you were Michael Sowski.
That does it. Let the plan be a bomb. Okay, let's stun George and the Blues using this stunning bomb. There, I placed all of the children homeworks. Oh no, hiccups. And the bomb. Oh la la, it's no use. I'm going to cover my eyes. April Fools. Ha 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 ha. Seriously? Aha. Let this plan be. Clean like me. Ha 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 ha.
Shoulder, run away.
Shower. Run away.
Shoulder, run away.
Hello there. Are you okay? Don't kill us.
We're sorry.
It's okay, kids. We will send you back to your owner. Ugh, what's taking so long? Hello guys. I brought the pig and the bluebirds back to you. Uh-oh. I got hiccups. Don't worry, Minimax. I will send you to this place so blue things can't see the moon to prevent hiccups.
When they got there,
Elmo, why do we stay here in the daycare? To prevent seeing the blue moon that causes hiccups.